And now let's learn numbers. Αριθμοί. Αριθμοί. Numbers. Let's learn how to count from 0 to 100. Here, because it's early lesson, if you learn how to count until 0 to 10, you're okay. But if you wanna further, learn until 100. And of course, I continue in the next lesson. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4. We put 2 sigma, right? Yes. No difference to the sound. It's spelled as one. Don't worry about that. In Greek language, we have some double letters. 4 is read as with 1 sigma. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.